Display all the product's accessories. Install the dust cup onto the main unit. Combine the extension pipe with the main unit. The installation is complete when you hear a snapping sound. Attach the roller brush to the extension tube. Insert the battery from the bottom side. To attach an accessory, simply slide it into the nozzle of hand vacuum. To remove the accessory, press the lock release button and pull it off. Press the button of the dust cup and dispose of the debris. Press the button to remove the dust cup. Take out the inner cone. Press the front button of the dust cup and dispose of the debris. Open the back cover of the main unit in order to remove the filter element. Disassemble the dust cup accessory. The components of the sealed cabin can also be washed with water. Clean with water. Press the silver button at the back and rotate the snap. The brush head can be easily pulled out. Wash the brush head with clean water. Gently wipe the inside of the roller brush with a wet paper towel. It can be easily pushed into the brush head for installation. Rotate the snap back onto the clip and the installation is complete. 2 charging methods. 1. Mount the battery on the main unit for wall-mounted charging. 2. Press the button on the battery to detach it, and use an adapter to charge it separately.